G'day, my name's Brad and I'm here to take you through the brand new vacuum range from Bissell that is available exclusively at bisselshop.com.au. First cab off the rank is this guy. This is the brand new Bissell AirRam. Sitting at around 3 kilos, it is your high performance cordless upright vacuum. You might remember the original AirRam that launched I think in around about 2013 here in Australia. Well, this is the new and improved. It's finally arrived on our shores and I love this machine. You have that retractable handle so you can store it away. Great for people like me who live in really small apartments. It's a really simple machine to use. So you're actually just going to recline it and turn it on with one touch button at the foot there, and you're going to just use it across all of your floor types without having to change settings, without having to change brush rolls. You have a full motorized brush roll in there, which is great for your hard floor and your carpets, whether it's long pile, short pile, or otherwise. You have those headlights too, which is what I like, guiding the way into those darker spaces. And you'll get a full 40 minutes runtime on a 22 volt lithium ion battery. I'll take you down to the bottom of the machine and we can show you where the rubber meets the road with the AirRam. We have the brush roll on the bottom, and this is completely removable as well. So you can take that out if you have any tangles or anything wrapped around there. We also have the bin. So as I said, it is bagless. You're just going to lift this little canister here, and this is quite genius. You have a little lid that you open to go over to your bin, but now you have this slider. So you can slide that down and that will push out any of the hair that might be caught up inside. Fantastic little unit here. We also have washable filters. So that's your multi-stage filtration. There's 3 levels of filtration to make sure that all of the fine dust is captured for you, and you can just wash those filters monthly. Pop that back into the machine there. This is your 22 volt lithium ion battery, and yes, it is removable. So you can charge this separately from the machine if you wish. And what I love is that gives you that fade-free suction because it is that lithium-ion battery. So this is the Bissell AirRam, the second generation of it. I love it. It's a lot quieter than the previous generation, and it has those creature comforts like the headlights, the retractable handle, the long run time, and the ability to go from surface to surface without changing buttons or settings. So it is literally the easiest cordless upright vacuum I have ever used. Now, that is $449 on its own at bisselshop.com.au, worth every penny. However, we do have a bundle deal for you. So this is the launch of our brand new handheld called the Multi-Reach. So this, in my opinion, is personally your go-to machine for pet hair. I've been using a lot of vacuums in my time, and this is my favorite machine to use to get pet hair off of the couch, out of the car, or off of the bed. The reason why is because you have this powerful mini motorized head. I don't know what they've done with this mini motorized head, but it is the best one I have ever used. Again, with the Multi-Reach, you are getting that 22 volt lithium ion battery, but you're also getting 20 minutes runtime. So you can see here, just with some pet hair, that mini motorized head goes to work and it sucks up the pet hair before you even get there. That's what I love about this machine. It agitates so well across all of your stairs, maybe the car, maybe you're doing the couch, maybe you're doing, I don't know, just the caravan or something. This is brilliant. And it sits up like that, so it's not an awkward machine at all. And you do have a removable battery. Now, you can pay a lot of money to get vacuums on the market these days with removable batteries. So you just pull it out like that. You can charge this separately if you wish, but that's what's going to give you that fade-free suction. That is what's going to give you that 20-minute runtime. It is a bagless system, so you take the canister away and you dump the dirt into the bin. Everything is washable, so including your filters inside. Now there's a little green ring here. You're going to pull that forward, take your attachment off. What I love is this little thing. This is kind of your dusting brush. You can take that off and just use that straight nozzle. But this has a built-in stretch hose. So now you can go in and around all the awkward areas. I'm going to show you over here. So you turn one button on. Again, what I like about this, it's easy. You just turn it on. You have your indicator here to show you how much battery charge you have. So those little lights will decrease as the battery decreases. Now, you can pull the stretch hose out. You can do your dusting around the furniture. You can go around all of the delicate things that match along your countertops or anything like that. I like to think about this in the car, maybe getting around the seats, maybe getting around all of the consoles, around the gear stick and all that kind of thing. Also, what I think is really cool, the crevice tool, it's not in a drawer, it's not hiding anywhere around the home, it's on board. So you just pull the crevice tool out of the back there and the crevice tool can fit into the front here. So now you're able to get along your edges and you're able to get around anywhere else that normally the normal head wouldn't fit into. So again, it's one of those machines that's just genius because everything's there on board for you. The battery time, the 20 minutes is more than enough when you're in handheld. So this is a bundle. So you could get this and your AirRam for $549 at bisselshop.com.au. Oh, I forgot to mention there's a pole. Pole with a brush. So you can pop that into the end. Just allows you to get a little higher if you need to. So maybe you want to do the little vents in the air conditioning. Maybe you just want to do a little quick skirting board job or whatever. So that's great. That comes with the little handheld guy here too. So bundle, $549. AirRam on its own, $449. Or if you just want the handheld, that's totally cool. It's available for $249. We have the multi-reach handheld and we have the new Bissell AirRam. Check them out at bisselshop.com.au.